All right, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Vid IQ for your agency to improve your client's experience. So if this sounds interesting, please continue following, and we're going to show you the step-by-step things that we personally go and do for our clients. Now, before we begin, I really want to encourage you, if you haven't set up brand accounts for your clients, then I want you to go and check out this other video that we've made where it talks about setting up brand accounts, because if you're an agency, you want all of your clients to be using brand accounts. It makes it so much easier for you to go and manage their channel, as well as to use reporting for them as well. Everything's connected so much better. Okay, so Vid IQ, why is it so valuable? Here's the reason. You can manage your channel so much better, the channels of your clients so much better from here. It has their videos right there, along with all their suggestions already provided. It also tracks all the individual things that your clients are really ranking on, and it will give suggested topics that they should really go and talk about, which talk about value, where you can tell your client, hey, if you make a video on this topic, I think you're going to do pretty good. VidIQ makes things so much easier from a keyword perspective, from a title perspective, even from a description perspective. Everything involved with that idea of generating the text needed to go and properly get your video found can really be handled straight from VidIQ. The VidIQ dashboard is super easy. When you go through, you get this beautiful dashboard where you can see the different kinds of ideas that VidIQ recommends. You also see the different titles that you can go and generate based on keywords that you would like your client to create videos on. You can also go to the SEO portion, and I love this section because right there, the videos, you can immediately add keywords to your clients for videos that they already have on. So right away, you're providing additional value without you really having to do much more work. You literally just click the plus button and that keyword is added to your client's video. It also allows you to compare your clients with different competitors, or even if you were trying to track how they're doing compared to each other, you can see how their performance is really stacking up as a whole. It provides a coach for you so that it can help teach you how to produce even better content for your clients, so that your reputation as a good YouTube manager continues to escalate further and further and further, bringing up your brand awareness in the future. Also, when you use the YouTube plugin for VidIQ, it is incredible. You could go to even your competitors' videos and see the intricate little details that they are doing. In addition, if you go to your client's YouTube channel and you go to their individual videos, you can see for each individual video how they are performing as a whole when people typically are viewing it, what kind of things you can improve on it already. It also provides for you a score so that you can see how likely your video is to go and do based on the metrics that VidIQ really values. So for me, this is an absolute game changer. And if you would like to use VidIQ, I really recommend you using our affiliate link, which is vidiq.com/yellowtail. We really believe that it will change the way that you do your business for your clients. So again, if you would like to use this tool, I encourage you to click the link in the description for vidiq.com/yellowtail. All right. Thank you again so much for watching our content. If you've made it this far, if you would like to learn more about us and the things that we can offer you as an agency, then please go and visit our website at yellowtailsolutions.com. Everything we do for you looks like it actually came just from you, and you also get the final word on everything that is produced. And if you can hit a like and subscribe and follow our channel and check out our other content. Again, thank you so much. I hope you have a fantastic day. I will see you later.